Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we're working on that Mercedes E-Class and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace front door speakers on that. The driver's side and passenger will be the same procedure. Stay with us. We will cover the driver's side now. Please subscribe guys, help us grow the channel together. This model, as you know, the W211 is the same from 2003 until 2009. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Okay guys, so first, okay, we need to get a T20, Torx 20 bit, okay, this one right here. And we'll need to remove, okay, that screw right there. Okay, we'll need to pull the cover out. You can see how it goes out. Careful not to break those because usually they're very breakable. Okay, next with the prying tool, we'll need to remove that cover. Okay, you can see right there. Let me turn the light on so we can see a little bit better. Okay, this is the cover. Okay, next you need a Phillips screwdriver and there is one screw that you need to remove right there. Okay, and you can see the size of the screw now. Next, we need to go underneath right here and we need to remove that cover. Okay, you just pry it open. It has a few clips on it. Okay, let me get the light so we can see better. Okay, so we have the two screws that we need to remove here. The same Phillips screwdriver now. That's what we've been working with. Okay, like that. Next we need to remove the cover for the mirror right here, for the tweeter. So you just push it towards the back, comes out. Okay, that's the one. You don't even need to unhook the tweeter. Okay, so now with the prying tool, there is a few clips, and a good thing guys, before you start doing that, you probably should buy some replacement clips because those go bad usually. Sometimes they will break. Okay, you can see we pop them like that and then you need to lift up. We'll need to unscrew, okay, this one, the unlock. You just unscrew it counterclockwise, okay, like that. And you need to come out of there. Okay, sometimes they'll be stuck really good, believe me. That's because it goes in the seal there. Okay, and you can see the panel came out. Stay with us to show you where all the clips are. Okay, now we need to disconnect, okay, the cable right here. So you need to pull towards the back, go like that. And now you need to twist it in an angle, okay. And we'll need to disconnect all the wires now. Okay, so one person will need to hold the panel because those can go bad really easy. Okay, so press down and pull them out. Okay, let's see what else is holding there. Okay, this black one only. Sorry guys, our clips didn't break, but sometimes they will and they're replaceable. We'll have the link on our website mechaniclifestyle.com. So you can see two clips there, one in the corner, three on the bottom, one in the corner, and one more there. Okay, so that's where the clips are, you know where to apply more pressure. Alright guys, next we're going to disconnect the cable by pressing there. Okay, it has two notches. We will need to remove that. Okay, that piece right here. So you need to be careful not to break it. Oh, it's been removed in the past, as you can see, because it comes out pretty easy. Usually it doesn't come out as easy as this one, to be honest with you. Okay, now we need to come around the door speaker there. There is some glue on the bottom. And you can see it's holding pretty good. Okay, and this piece is out of the way now. Okay guys, and let me show you now the speaker here. It's a little bit tricky. You can see there is one place that you need to pry like that, okay? And then you need to grab the speaker and turn clockwise. Okay. Okay, watch, like that. Okay, it needs to come a little bit more specific place and it will come out. He has a few bushings there, I think. Okay, and it's out. Okay, that's it. You can see that's the notch I was talking about. Okay, right here. And if you want to replace the speaker only, which you need to be careful because you still need to remove the whole piece to get to the wire, but you can actually remove those screws and remove the speaker itself. Okay, right there. So when you're ready to install the new one, you put it in and you twist to the right clockwise and it will be locked in place. That's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.